If you're hearing about climate-related regulations or getting requests from customers or investors about climate-related data, you might be asking yourself how to do this work effectively, efficiently, and affordably, especially if your teams are already stretched thin. BPM partners with Sustain.Life to offer outsourced carbon emissions accounting, automating and streamlining your carbon emissions inventory through manual, bulk, and utility integration data upload options. Data-driven prioritization of potential decarbonization strategies for your organization. And easy reporting aligned with CDP, TCFD, GRI, CSRD's ESRS, and ISSB's IFRS. Whether you're looking to meet compliance requirements or future-proof your business, come chat with us.